Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. Follow along to make this easy paper craft with your kids. You need colored cardstock, glue, black beans, and a circle paper punch. Start by finding the perfect size bowl or cup for the center of your flower. Since my petals will be 1.5-inch circles, I used a small measuring glass for the center. Trace the center on yellow paper and punch out the petals on yellow paper. Cut out a green stem and punch 2 circles from your green paper. Glue your stem and the large yellow circle on your cardstock. Fold 2 sides of your yellow circles inward, making a small point at one end and a rounded edge at the other end. Once you are finished folding all of your circles, glue them around the yellow circle on your paper. Fold the green circles the same way you did the yellow and glue them onto the stem for leaves. Add glue on the inside yellow circle and add the black beans. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.